Uncle, one honest life advice for men.
Don't argue with women. Just say sorry and sleep in peace.
Why do boys fail in love?
Because they send poems, she wants pizza.
Did you like marrying instead of working?
Yeah, I did.
Why don't you argue with your wife?
Because even Google can't save me from her questions.
Sir, how is married life going for you?
Like Netflix subscription, madam. Sometimes fun, but mostly buffering.
What's the best thing your husband can cook?
Maggie noodles. And sometimes even that burns.
Dadiji, one real advice for girls in love?
Don't skip meals for men. Your body needs food, not his drama.
बाबा जी, कोई फेमस टिकटॉकर का डायलॉग बताओ. Grandpa, what's your favorite conspiracy theory?
That my glasses move themselves.
Who's been the most loyal in your life?
I think it's my fate because it's always screwing me over, but it never leaves me.
What do you feel seeing the Taj Mahal?
After seeing this, I realized love is beautiful, but budget is very important.
Where do you travel often?
Yes, mostly between fridge and sofa.
Uncle, who makes the decisions at home?
She decides. I follow her decisions happily or silently.
Why are you dressed like a Bollywood hero today?
Because I'm looking for my heroine. Maybe it's you.
What's your biggest fear?
Accidentally sending a friends group message in the family group.
What was your favorite food growing up?
Anything I didn't have to cook.
What's your relationship advice? If your man cannot afford your bills, you need to find a job, not another man.
Does your husband multitask?
Oh, yes. He eats and watches TV at the same time.
I want a guy with abs like that.
Hope he has a job too. Abs don't pay bills.
Tata, what's your superpower in marriage?
Acting like I didn't hear anything.
What's your biggest achievement in college so far?
Reaching college by 9 a.m. once.
By mistake.
That day, even the watchman looked confused.
बारिश ने मुझे घेला कर दिया दोस्तों.
आज तो एहतलाम पक्का है मेरा.
Why don't you have storage on your phone? Because I have 3,281 screenshots I'll never use and 9,000 selfies I'll never post. What's your husband's most asked question at home?
Where's my wallet, socks, charger, brain?
Pati, what's the secret to such a long marriage?
Simple. He couldn't afford a second marriage.
What's one thing every relative has in common? They'll never ask if you ate, but they'll ask when you're getting married. What's your usual post-workout routine? Yeah.
Rewarding myself with double the calories I burned.
What's the difference between LinkedIn and Instagram?
On LinkedIn, employed people show off. On Instagram, unemployed people show off.
Pati, what if Tata became an influencer today?
He'll review walking sticks and back pain creams on YouTube.
When do you usually crave biryani?
After breakfast, before lunch, after lunch, before dinner. Basically always.
What's your weirdest midnight habit? Creating fake scenarios in my head and winning imaginary arguments. Why don't you stick to your diet?
Because biryani exists. My willpower melts faster than the ghee in it.
Whose wedding is this, bro?
No idea. I just came here to eat. It's my every weekend plan.
देखा भाई लोग गांजा पी के टोल पर पकड़ाइल बनी जा पुलिसवा पकड़ ले बा.
सर हम भोले बाबा के भक्त हैं हमें जाने दो.
What's your mom's idea of fun on Sunday?
Cleaning the whole house and giving me emotional damage.
Who is a true friend?
The friend who says, you don't give any money, I will pay the entire bill. But in the end, they says, let's split the bill.
What's your biggest scam as an iPhone user?
Bought an 80,000 rupee phone still saying not now to 199 rupee iCloud plan.
रॉबर्ट्सगंज में भारी बारिश के बाद कोई बड़ा नुकसान या हादसा नहीं हुआ है, सब कुछ सही है। ओह, अभी अभी हादसा हो गया। जब से इस चौक पर ये ट्रैफिक सिग्नल लगाया गया है, यहाँ दुर्घटनाएं लगभग बंद हो गई हैं। अरे, अभी एक हो गई।
What advice do you give to women today?
Block him and go to sleep early. He is temporary, but those dark circles can be forever.
Ever since this traffic signal was installed, accidents here completely stopped. Oh my God.
What's the sound that haunts you as a parent? Silence.
It means they're either drawing on the wall or pooping in a corner.
Grandma, how did you do your makeup back then?
We didn't. We scared men with our natural beauty.
Who tells mom first when you fight?
My sister. Fast like 5G, pet like puppy.
Who cries more, you or your sister?
She cries, I get blamed.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you the one who booked the Rapido ride?
Yes. One toxic trait of your girlfriend?
She remembers everything, even what I didn't say.
What's the best skincare advice for women?
The best skincare is remove the man who's stressing you out.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज हम आए हैं ग्राउंड रिपोर्टिंग करने।
रिपोर्टर दीदी।
चाचा, अगर आपके नाक पर लोरा रख दिया जाए, आप बोलोगे कैसे?
वो लोरा मैं आपको मुंह में दे दूंगा।
चाचा मुझे छुपे लगवाएगा।
The rain just won't stop here in Delhi's low-lying colonies, especially in these neglected areas where, well, there goes another one.
सबसे पहले यहाँ ये ट्रैफिक सिग्नल लगा है, यहाँ अब एक्सीडेंट होना बंद हो गया है। Oh my God.
Dadi, any tips to concentrate while studying?
Yes, sit near your mom. Fear boosts memory.
पाली शहर की साफ सफाई देखकर आज खुद राजस्थान के मुख्यमंत्री बोल उठे, ये तो अमेरिका से कम नहीं, और साबित करने के लिए पीछे का नजारा ही काफी।
Grandma, why don't we see any monkeys in your village?
They've all moved to the city, busy making vlogs and chasing followers.
यहाँ की सड़कों पे बारिश के बाद बहुत अयो, मैं नाली में गिर गई, कैमरा बंद करो, रिकॉर्ड हो गया क्या? दादी सा, पाली में कितरो विकास होयो है?
बेटा एडा गेल चोदा विकास कोन देखियो, जेठे गाय मुते तो बाढ़ आवे।
पाली में कल रात भारी तूफान के चलते ये पेड़ सड़क पर गिर गया है, पर अब तक कोई दुर्घटना नहीं घटी है। अरे मार्च ठुक गयो,
खत्म गया।
Batman, why don't you ever smile?
I tried once. The city caught fire.
Okay, not asking again.
Why you married your wife?
Because I love danger.
What's the secret to a long, happy marriage?
Act like a dumb and pretend you're deaf.
Who recognizes you without a single word?
My girlfriend, I called her from my friend's phone and didn't utter a sound, yet she simply said, "Hi, baby."
What's your biggest regret, uncle?
Offering people gum, yeah? Always they are saying yes only. Can't escape.
What is your wife's secret skill?
Finding mistakes in seconds.
Pati, what's your husband's favorite household job?
Supervising from the sofa.
What's your biggest failure in life?
I lost an argument with my husband in 1987. I made sure it never happens again.
Dadi ji, one honest advice to live tension free.
Never take tension, just give tension, especially to husband.
What did you want to be when you were younger?
Taller.
Taller.
I'm still waiting for that day.
Bro, any dream destination?
Goa. But my wife is still doing background verification about my friends.
Sir, give one important life advice for all women.
When you love a man, you must love everything he loves.
If he loves another woman, love her too.
Oh.
Uncle, what dating advice would you give to young boys?
If you begin to smile when you receive a text message, please delete the number.
बारिश के बाद यहाँ के ग्रामीण रास्ते की हालत देखिए, वे कीचड़, पानी और ये क्या, गोबर कहाँ से आया हुआ?
अरे यार, do you sleep early?
I lie down at 9. I scroll till midnight.
Auntie, do you believe in love marriage?
Yes, but only for other people's kids, not mine.
When do you get really angry?
When my friends don't react to the reels which I share. Just kidding.
Ma'am, what's your fitness routine?
Running from responsibilities and lifting emotional baggage daily.
What's the first thing relatives do at family functions? Scan your looks from top to bottom, then say, you've changed a lot. What's a girl's favorite workout?
Walking 10 kilometers in a mall and still not buying anything.
What do girls do during online sales?
Add to cart, pray for discount to gods.
यहाँ जल भराव की समस्या के कारण लोगों का बाहर निकलना मुश्किल हो गया है। अरे गौ माता, 1 मिनट हटिए ना कृपया, मैं लाइव रिपोर्ट कर रही हूँ।
Ma'am, any advice to women in corporate?
9 to 6 जॉब करके समझ आया कि पार्टी पे डिपेंड रहना इतना बुरा ऑप्शन भी नहीं था।
What's your education?
My education is graduation.
One honest advice for boys.
Don't chase girls, chase money. Then girls will automatically chase you.
Babaji, one savage advice for today's youth.
Don't always be available for people. Even gold loses value if it's everywhere.
What fills your phone storage the fastest?
Screenshots of conversations I'll never revisit.
What would you say to your younger self about love?
You don't have commitment issues. You are just committed to not committing.
वाह मेरी झूठी सरकार, जोधपुर के न्यू कैंपस की सड़क ऐसे धसी जैसे इनके चुनावी वादे। 200 करोड़ बोल के 20 रुपए की सड़क दे दी।
भोसड़ी के बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा में खाता मत खुलवाओ, खाता फुल हो चुका है तुम लोग के। रील के चक्कर में गया था खुलवाने, अब देखो पुलिस पकड़ के ले जा रही है।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, कल तक न्यूज में आपका स्वागत है। आज की खबर बहुत ही जोरदार होने वाली है। कैमरा बैंड करो जल्दी।
What happens after marriage? First,
Honeymoon. Then EMI.
what's the difference between LinkedIn and Instagram?
On LinkedIn, employed people show off. On Instagram, unemployed people show off.
Babaji, आप चाचा मुख्तियार को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सबकी अम्मा आ गई है।
What's your wife's special skill?
Turning a 2-minute story into a 45-minute lecture.
Who tells mom first when you fight?
My sibling, fast like 5G, pet like puppy.
How do you feel when your salary is credited? Feel rich for 2 minutes, then all EMIs get paid and again back to poor reality. नमस्कार, मैं हूँ लक्षा कलटक न्यूज से। जिस पेड़ के नीचे खड़ी हूँ, ये लगभग 200 साल पुराना है। Oh my God! Thada, who's the real boss at home?
Technically me, but practically it's her.
Do you believe in ghosts?
I do. I married one.
Thada, how does your wife control you without saying anything?
She doesn't need to talk. One eyebrow. And even my soul sits straight.
Hi guys.